Good morning. Today is day 3 of stealing adult-only moments while you're at Disney. If you've been following along, please join me today on Walt Disney World Adults Only to see what happens today. Welcome, Your Royal Highnesses. I'm Carol, and you're watching Walt Disney World Adults Only. Today is a day that I have a feeling I'm going to have very few adult-only moments. We're going to Hollywood Studios. I'm hoping there's at least a beverage in my future, but we'll see what happens. So I may not be seeing you very much today. Let's hope that changes, and we'll see what kind of adult-only moments I can steal besides going to the bathroom, because I know that will be adults only. So let's see what I can come up with today. So it's about 4:40. This is my first adult-only moment since early this morning. And my adult-only moment involves my box of wine. I'm gonna head down to the pool to join the others, but I had some cheese and crackers delivered Instacart or Green Grocer or whoever you're using. It's always a great idea. A case of water equals the price of about 2 bottles of water in the park. So even if you have leftover when you leave, as long as you've drank 2 bottles of water, you're ahead of the game. So I did have some water to bring with me. I just had a couple glasses of wine and some cheese and crackers. I have a feeling that after the pool, the family is done, so I'm hoping to sneak away to go watch Enchantment afterward. Maybe just Harmonious again, because it's just easier to get to Harmonious from Pop than it is to get to Enchantment. At least getting out after the fireworks is a lot easier. So I might go watch Harmonious for a second time as my adult-only moments. But it is possible to do it. You just have to sort of plan your day. Good morning. Yesterday I had very few adult-only moments. Lovely glass of wine. I did swim alone at my end of the pool, but that was about it. These things are going to happen when you're not on an adult-only trip. But take whatever moments you can. Today we're going to Magic Kingdom, so I'm afraid it's going to be more of the same, not finding moments for myself, although there are rides that I don't do. So I will have those moments to sit, collect, people watch, collect my thoughts, people watch. I'm not going to collect people. Obviously, you can tell I haven't had any coffee yet this morning. Anyway, so today is Magic Kingdom, then dinner at St. Angel's Inn, so I'll have the opportunity for another avocado, oh my goodness. I'll have another opportunity for avocado margarita, so that will definitely be an adult-only moment that I will cherish. And we'll see what else I can steal away here in trying to steal away moments at Magic Kingdom. So I'm here at Magic Kingdom. We did early entry. Most of the crowd is in line for Space Mountain. I'm getting my first adult-only moment as the others are on the Astro Orbiter, and I don't do circular rides. So I'm sitting here, people watching, regathering my thoughts, just resting, looking around. I did have a little accident this morning, the strangest thing. It's pretty much dry now, but the bottom of my coffee cup fell out all over me. So that was the start to my day. We'll see how the rest of the day goes.
You can count me with the dreamers. Like everybody else, I've got a dream. Can't you see with that special little lady rowing in the rowboat down the
Another adult-only special moment. Others are riding Aladdin. I just got off of Splash Mountain and had a Dole Whip, as the others are still on Splash Mountain. It's pretty warm, so I'm standing by the cooling pad getting misted. Feels great since I'm already wet from Splash Mountain. Then we're going to head over to Epcot, where my avocado margarita is waiting for me. And then we're going to head back over here for the fireworks. So I think this is probably it for my adult-only stealing away moments, but I'll take what I can get. Good evening. It's been a very, very long day. We did early hours until fireworks at Magic Kingdom. Was a really, really busy day with only a couple of adult-only moments. When the family was riding Astro Orbiter, I got to sit around and people watch. And then they did Aladdin's Magic Carpet, which I didn't ride, or the carousel. So I had 3 times to myself. I took full advantage. I did Splash Mountain and had a Dole Whip while I was waiting at one point. From Magic Kingdom, we went to Epcot for dinner, rode Soarin' and Spaceship Earth, came back to Magic Kingdom to watch the fireworks. I was really surprised on what day is today? Friday after Thanksgiving, that Magic Kingdom wasn't more packed for the fireworks. What was nice was that the park was open to 11, so while some people left after the fireworks, a lot of people stayed. I always like watching the fireworks as you're facing the castle from the right side for two reasons. One, you get a great view of Tinkerbell flying, and two, if you're leaving the park right after that, they send you that back road that's parallel to Main Street, and you get out of there a lot faster than if you go back down Main Street. I have one more day with the family. They're leaving Sunday morning-ish, and I'm here till Monday, so I'll have a lot more adult-only time then. Tomorrow, again, I think it's going to be a day where I'm going to steal a moment here and steal a moment there. Today is day 5 of my vlog series, trying to steal adult-only moments when you can't come to Disney only as an adult. So today is an Animal Kingdom day. That's my favorite park. So whatever happens, I'll be happy because I love Animal Kingdom. One of the times I find to steal adult-only moments is early in the morning. So I get up really early. I have the cup of coffee to myself. I stand on my balcony at Pop and look at the pool. Just sort of relax to get the day started. One of the things I did want to show you is I'm a freak about Disney, if you haven't figured that out yet. So especially when I stay at Pop, because it has the windows perfect for decorating, I like to decorate my room. As you can see, I have a little Klingon sticker. I have lights that I turn on at night. I have my Figment and Grogu and Groot. And it just adds a little sparkle. It helps me find my room at the end of the night if I've had too many avocado margaritas. So that's another perk of decorating. Half my suitcase is filled with wine and decorating supplies. If you watched my packing video, you'll see that to be true. I'm not exaggerating. Half my large suitcase was either beverage or decorations or ears. So as I said, today, Animal Kingdom, we'll see what it brings. We'll see what kind of adult-only moments I can steal today.
Let's hear it for the Tumble Game!
So a much longer day at Animal Kingdom than expected. I'm stealing some adult-only moments now as I'm doing an errand, going to another park to pick up something that the family really wanted that was only at Epcot. So while they think I'm doing them a great favor, I'm going in the direction of the avocado margarita. Well, the Festival of the Holidays are in full swing. A lot of the booths don't have a very long line at this point. It's early evening, around 6-ish, but it is pretty crowded. In fact, this is the most crowded I've seen Epcot on this trip. A lot of people just walking around, a lot of people with drinks in their hand. Gee, that's a surprise. I'm heading back to Pop. I can't feel my feet at this point. It's been a long 2 days, especially touring the family and just making sure that they were having a good time. Tomorrow morning, then they leave. Then I have 2 days, well, a day and 3/4 to myself. So, good suggestion for standing adult only moments. If you can fly in a day early or fly out a day late, that gives you some time to rewind and recoup your energy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. We really appreciate it if you join us and watch our videos and vlogs about everything Disney from an adult-only perspective. So that's not something you see a lot. We also have a Facebook group. If you're not a member, please join us there. Walt Disney World Adults Only, WDWAO. Again, that's where we can answer your adult-centered questions as well. Last but not least, never grow up.